This is Module 11, Question 1. We have some information about a company, Edgehill Inc. They have a certain number of bonds outstanding. The bonds have some information that suggests price. They have 10 million shares of stock outstanding. What's the market value debt to equity ratio? Well, let's start with the basic thing. We want the market value of debt, the market value of equity. When we have these, we will have the market value debt to equity ratio. The market value of equity is probably the easiest to calculate. It's just 10 million shares outstanding times the price, which is going to be I'm going to make that a fancy number. The price of the bond, so we have 325,000 bonds. We have time to maturity, which is 13 years, but it's semi-annual, so it's going to be 26. They have a face value or par value of 1,000 and a coupon rate of 6%. Since it's paid semi-annually, the coupon is going to be, the current yield to maturity is 5.6.056, which means the effective semi-annual rate is going to just be that divided by 2. Okay, let's get the price of the bond. Price is the PV formula using the rate, the number of periods, the payment, and the future value. The price is negative, so what we want to do for the market value of debt is say negative price times bonds outstanding. Let's make that a number that we can actually, and the answer is 0.47. You can do this as a percent. That's probably easier. And we notice that that's the solution here. So the market value of the debt to equity ratio is 47%, and it means that for every dollar of equity, we have 47 cents in debt. And the way that we worked this problem was just to figure out, well, the market value of the debt to equity ratio is going to be the market value of the debt divided by the market value of the equity. And the equity was pretty easy to calculate. And then we just had to use the bond equation to get the value of the debt. And then we multiplied that times the bonds outstanding. Since Excel makes this a negative price, we had to multiply it by a positive or by another negative to make it positive again. But otherwise, it's a reasonably straightforward problem.